7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
On the count of 1, 2, 3.
Feeding the future! Okay, come on. Just see that side, just see that.
Alright, thank you so much. Thanks for all the time. And let's probably get to the next part of the inauguration.
Thank you everyone. Yeah, come वाला, come रे, आ जाओ सब लोग हाथ लगा दो इसमें।
you. Thank you. Thank you very, very much, Ambassador Martin Vandenberg, for being here, gracing the occasion, inaugurating the facility for us. Oh my God, Dr. Saurabh, this looks like so much fun. And I think I've missed out on all the fun because, you know, this is Trouw Nutrition's first facility in India, inaugurated and ready to go. Wow, the world, we are ready for you. Okay, so, you know, ladies and gentlemen, you know, today, now that we've done this, it is so exciting that we've planned something really, really awesome for you. Now, this is a very, very unique experience, I must tell you. We have a 360-degree virtual facility walkthrough just for you, which actually allows you to take a look at the entire facility as well as the master lab from the comforts of your home. And you're going to be able to experience this virtual tour. It's going to be a brilliant experience, I promise you that. And to take you through what exactly it would look like, once again, I have Dr. Saurabh Shekhar with me, and I'm going to invite him to please take us through this presentation called Driven by Innovation, the Gen Next Technology. Over to you, Dr. Saurabh.
Thank you, Pallavi, and thank you, Honorable Ambassador, for doing the honors of inaugurating this facility. The thing is that in virtual world, everything is possible. Yes, and we wanted to make sure that this experience is always remembered as an innovative innovation by Trouw Nutrition in every aspect of life. So what we will do is now through the virtual tour of this factory. So please join me in visiting this wonderful facility. So if you see, we have master labs, which is a customer support lab, which is catering to our feed millers, integrators, and farmers across India, based out of Hyderabad. And then the factory, which is recently built, commissioned, and now being inaugurated. Just request all our guests that even after this event ends, continue visiting, because this link will be open, and you'll have the entire tour by yourself for both master labs and factory. With this, I'll just take you to the factory here in Jetchella. So this is what the factory is all about, and now we'll enter from the main gate. You see, this is the facility's main entrance, and this facility is state of art, as Pallavi, our management team, was stating the same. This is in Jetchella, which is around 80 kilometers from Hyderabad, and the first project of Nutrico. The aim is to cater to customers' need, customizing what exactly is needed for our Indian customers and South Asian customers. Very futuristic, again a capacity of around 20,000 metric tons at the full capacity. We are trying to bring in our 90 years of expertise to make sure that we develop the local solutions for the need of our customers. As you enter our factory, you see that on the right-hand side, we have the weighing bridge, which is very important for accurate measure of all the incoming and outgoing incoming raw materials and outgoing finished products. If then I take you to the reception area, yes, so nothing much here, yes. As everybody who is visiting our factory, employees and our customers, safety briefing, which is very important, because safety is of utmost importance for Nutrico, and safety of people and safety of assets is critical. We are committed to provide safe work environment for everyone who works for Nutrico and Trouw Nutrition. And then what we had done for that. So as a guest, whenever you are here, we'll definitely get an opportunity to host you in future. We need to go through the safety briefing and then wear the personal protection equipment. We also had deployed full-face pressurized respiratory masks to handle chemicals so that the people can be safe there, the handlers are safe. Now on other aspects of safety, this is a high tower, so we have a fire hydrant system which can, in case of emergency, can fight fire up to 3 hours. 6-meter wide road definitely for fire vehicles to come in. That is the worst case scenario. And then what I'll do is I'll take you to the process flow, that how exactly this will be when the raw material comes in. Yes. So coming to the raw material area, the raw material comes from both local Indian suppliers and the global suppliers. And if you see, this is the raw material area, and we have put a dock leveler there to just ensure that the people who are handling this are safe. The second one is there is minimal manual handling. Now going to after picking up the raw material, then definitely we have the racks and everything where we put all our raw materials. And then we go, when the process starts, the first one is the carrier intake area. If you see, this is the big bag intake station, and this is the carrier intake area where the bulk of the material is dumped. And on the right hand side, you'll see the elevator. This elevator is only used for carrying materials, all the micro ingredients, to the top floor and the production area, which is first step is on the 8th floor. This is only for material movement, and no man movement is allowed from this lift. Also, as you people are aware, and you are our esteemed customers, that we produce vitamin premixes, mineral premixes, and feed safety solutions in this factory. So some of the raw materials are very heat sensitive, and we need to ensure that these materials doesn't lose out on their basic properties and don't degenerate. For that, we had ensured that we maintain a very high quality, and the heat sensitive material are stored through the cold storage. Now, just moving out to the production area. So this is the raw material handling area and the dumping stations, cold storage area. Now coming to the aerial view again, if you see, this tower is the unique one, and we also talk about this quite often. It's a 45 meters tall tower, which is very unique to this premix facility. And not many facilities can boast of this kind of technology, to be sure. What exactly is there? So this is a vertical flow technology, and ensuring that the premix which is produced here is of best quality and the homogeneity is at its best, because homogeneity is one of the critical components to optimize the animal performance at your farms and in your feed. Entering the production area, so this is the raw material intake station, and I'll just take you through a small view of this 360-degree view. So this has all the carrier bins, around 25 micro and macro bins, then 3 carrier bins. The entire floor, the entire factory, so we have 8 floors, and all the 8 floors have RFID technology, just to ensure that the traceability is at its best, and we can track it back to the origin in case we need to identify something. Again, all the floors are having dust collection system, 99% dedusting rate, and just one of the another unique features what I need to tell you is the entire factory is built on human grade of materials. So the safety and quality is of utmost importance, and we had invested behind that. Now going back to the process flow, then we go to the weighing area. So we have the precision weighing, again, is a very critical step. And why it is critical in premixing is that all the macro and macro ingredients needs to be mixed into a proper proportion, and weighing that is also very critical. If you measure that right, you'll produce that right, and you'll finish that right. The other thing is that built-in interlock system helps strict adherence to ingredient weighing, and we make sure that every individual ingredient is measured to what we claim for, and verification occurs at every step. Now, moving to the screw conveyors, and I was telling that weighing hoppers, and this is the floor which has the central control system, and we also talk about that this being a central nervous system of the entire production. And why so? This has the SCADA control room where the entire process is monitored very closely, that how the production is going and what is happening at every step. The hand add addition is there for customization to ensure that if customers are asking for special customization, we are able to produce that. And this is the last place onto the entire 8th floor where manual intervention or people are there. After this, we have minimal actually man movement. Now final batch and weighing area, so definitely one of the things, this is a hand addition, main weighing hopper for final precision weighing of the batch. Then moving to the main mixing area, single shift paddler, we had installed one single shift paddler of a capacity of around 2000 liters. The food grade mixer, I told that entire factory is built on food grade material, has also ensures that there is a precise homogeneity from batch to batch, and there is no deviation for every product and any product what we produce with the best quality output. Coming to central sieving area, so this is a 5 ton per hour sieving capacity. The thing is that this is where we ensure that there is no physical contamination, and airlock systems ensures that any contamination is removed from the batch and there is no lump. As you know that lumps is one of the common problems in premixes, but here we ensure that we make the products and the sieving area ensures that the finished product don't have any lumps, and this is one of the best qualities what you can produce here. Moving from sieving area to surge hopper, so this is where the storage happens and where these 2,500 liters, two big hoppers, two surge hoppers, to ensure that the materials are stored, the finished goods are stored before moving to the packaging area. And then we go to the packing hoppers. So packaging area, this is where it is. It is before the final packaging happens. This is where the intersection to provide the provision of packing on the ground floor. Now from here, what I'll do is I'll take you to the finished good area, and this is what again another unique feature of this plant comes in. So the packaging station, you can see that packaging station is in front of you, and this is completely automatic bagging, and also this has auto sampler, which ensures that every batch what you produce, the samples are taken automatically back to the library, so that in case we get any feedback or anything for future references, we take that sample and test it again. So I'll just play a small video about this packaging machine, which is again fully automated, robotic, and
Our commitment to quality assurance to our customer means that we bring the latest technologies and innovations. One such unique technology is the automatic bagging equipment. This equipment, with a capacity of 300 bags per hour, is fully guarded in line with our global safety standards. It has a high precision weighing system with the auto sampler. With no manual intervention, the finished goods remain completely untouched by hand.
So that was another unique feature. And then after that, what we do is there is a finished goods area where all the products what is being produced are kept into high elevated platforms. And from here, we go and pack these materials and send it to our customers from here. So the last but not the least, what I'll do is I'll take you that everybody, Yuren, Rob, Saskia, everybody was talking about sustainability. And what does that mean? So every company today talks about sustainability, but we had ensured that sustainability is a term which is deployed in actions in wherever we do business. So what we had done is, according to any of the rules, the premix plant is always a dry plant, but we had ensured that we put effluent and sewage treatment plant just to ensure that as part of our sustainability drive, we also recycle our liquid waste to ensure minimal wastage of water. And that is our commitment to the planet. Other thing is that it's a rainwater harvesting, and we ensure that we capture and recharge the rainwater back into the earth as part of our sustainability efforts. We also have other plans to make sure that this planet becomes more safe and more sustainable for generations to come. And that is how we are contributing our I'll say that our contribution into bits and pieces, but these bits and pieces will make a big effort and big result, will deliver a big result in future. With this, we come to an end of this factory presentation. I'm sure you'll have liked that. At the beginning, I told that there is a master lab that is again a very unique proposition where we have unique facilities, something like mobile NOA, NutriOpt on-site advisor, then MycoMaster, which is again a mycotoxin analysis tool, and other unique materials and testing mechanism and services what we offer to our customers. So do take some time and visit this whenever you are after finishing this presentation and after this event closes down. Thank you everyone again. Over to you, Pallavi.
Thank you very, very much, Dr. Saurabh. I mean, that looked like a very, very interesting kind of a tour, and I definitely am urging every single one of you to take this virtual 360-degree tour. Wouldn't you say it's an absolute must, Dr. Saurabh?
Yeah. So we'll host our guests for sure as soon the situation normalizes. We invite you all to visit our plant, and I'm sure that you'll love this. Virtually, we try to show everything what we have and being transparent, and we expect your visit sometime soon in future.
Oh yes. Like we say, God willing, really, really soon. We hope the situation changes. But ladies and gentlemen, I have to tell you, you cannot miss taking this virtual 360-degree tour of the entire production facility as well as the master lab, because you know it will give you an idea as to the kind of effort that has gone into putting this together, the kind of effort that has gone into giving you the very first greenfield facility that there is in India by Trouw Nutrition. So well, I must also tell you that in case you're looking at this entire program, as in watching us live on your mobile phone, when you're taking the virtual tour, it is a humble urge from our side that you go on to your desktop browser, because that's when you'll really be able to experience it so wonderfully. And you can use any of the common and of course known desktop browsers, whether it's your Microsoft Edge, or for that matter Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox. There are so many to name. You can use any of those for that seamless aha experience, because this again is a very, very unique future